In Pascal triangle, we'll start with 1, then 1, 1. This is the starting point. Then 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1. Next, you start with 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, you end with 1. Next is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, you end with 1. Next is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, you end with 1. Next is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 is 15, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 5 is 15, 5 plus 1 is 6, then you end with 1. Next is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 6 plus 15 is 21, 15 plus 20 is 35, 20 plus 15 is 35, 15 plus 6 is 21, and 6 plus 1 is 7. I will end with 1. Now, because of space, I will stop. We would have just continued the triangle. And if you see, it is actually a triangle like this, and hence that's the name Pascal triangle. Let's use it to expand this bracket. Our answer is going to be here. A, the next one is B. This is 5, so I'm going to have 6 of it. So the next is A, B, then I'm going to have A, B, A, B, A, B. A, B can be any variable, it can be any number. Here we have AB. So after writing out AB, the next thing is the powers. The highest power here is 5. So I'm going to start with 5. The next one is 0. So 5, I'm going to have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And this is 0. The next one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that this is decreasing while this is increasing. So this is step number 1. Step number 2 is we are going to go to the Pascal triangle. The highest power there is 5. So I'm going to use everything on this row. So I'm going to take 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So here I'm going to have 1, the next 5, the next 10, the next one was 10, we have 5, and the last one was 1. If you look at this, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So this has replaced me saying 5 combination 0, 5 combination 1, 5 combination 2, and so on. Solving this, we are going to have A to the power of 5. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. The next one is 5A, 4B. Our next one is 10A, 3B square. Our next answer is 10A square B cube. Here we are going to have 5A, B, 4. Here, anything to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And we are left to B to the power of 5. Hence, our final answer is this, A to the power of 5 plus 5A, 4B plus 10A cube B square plus this is 10A square B cube plus 5A b4 plus b to the power of 5. This is our final result. You can try this and this using Pascal triangle.